everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. And this is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
What you got over here?
So I have built this.
Yes.
And I am hoping that you've brought your catapults.
Da-da-da.
Yep. Okay, so I have a challenge for you.
Okay.
You can use one or you can use two.
Okay.
But I have for you some projectiles.
What do we
There's
have? Whoa.
Nerf balls,
Whoa.
there's wooden beads, there's bouncy balls.
All kinds of
And
good stuff.
what you have to do
Yes.
is use all these good things. I'll put some back in the cup for you here.
Okay, yeah. Ooh.
Ooh. Is you have to use your catapult and use these projectiles to try and knock down my tower.
Okay, well, there's one.
One more. Okay. So when you're ready.
This way, huh?
Yep.
And did you ask me how I made these catapults?
I didn't ask you how you made those catapults.
So
because I remember those catapults.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
You're right. We did. Just craft sticks, rubber bands.
Craft sticks, rubber bands.
I just taped the little cup on
portion
here.
cups.
Portion cups. Any size.
Super simple.
Super simple. All right.
And you know what? If you don't have this catapult, you can make this catapult. You can design your own catapult. You can use a different catapult.
Exactly.
But the challenge is to knock down
that whole thing.
My tower here.
Okay. I'm going to use a
bouncy ball?
Bouncy ball.
Okay.
Let's see. All right. 1, 2, 3. Well.
So the bouncy ball is bouncing all over the place.
A little too bouncy.
Let's try a Nerf ball.
Let's try a Nerf ball. Okay, let's move this. Maybe it's this. It's in the way.
Oh, okay. That's what it is.
Okay, let's try. Let's look for a Nerf ball.
We have too many catapults.
Too many. Okay, let's try with this one. Okay. Ready? I'll move it a little bit back.
Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
How about we try a wooden bead?
Okay. Let's try the wooden bead. You think I should move it back or closer? Or not, maybe it's my technique.
I think your distance is okay. I think
it's my technique, huh?
Change how far down you're pushing it and how much tension.
Okay.
Yeah, because your first one went way high.
Way high, right.
And your second one went way low, so maybe somewhere in between.
In between? Okay, let's try this one. That was in between. Let's try it again.
Oh, so close. So close. But now you have the distance. Now we just need the height.
Right, we need the launch. You know, maybe someone out there might have a better technique for me to get it. Oh, oh. Maybe we could use like something bigger.
We could try a ping pong ball.
Like a ping pong ball?
Or a golf ball.
A golf ball?
Or a bigger Nerf ball.
Or you know,
or you can put more than one in your catapult.
Okay, that's a good idea. Can I just like
put one of each?
One of each. Oops. Okay, I got a pink one. Let's do one. Okay, let's do this one. Does that There
we go.
I'll put one more. Just
put another one in there. Let's see what happens.
So the distance is good, you think?
Yep. Yeah? I think your distance was okay.
I have to just do middle launching.
And now we have a Nerf ball, a foam ball, we have a bouncy ball.
Not all the way down, but okay. So like
ready when you are.
Ready? Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's try that again. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Ready?
Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
so close. Oh, that was fun.
All right. We got one more chance.
One more chance.
Let's try all bouncy balls.
Okay, I'm just gonna put like a plethora of things in here. How's that? One of them will hit it, right? Okay.
I mean, one of them did hit it. True, hit it hard enough to knock anything over. All right, ready?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! We knocked something over.
That was fun. I like this.
So,
this is fun.
We're going to work on our technique and our
I
distance and decide which one of our projectiles is the best for knocking down the rest of our tower. While we work on that, guys, if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And like always, subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.